Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're going to open Outlook and sign in right away. First, confirm your email address and password and enable two-factor authentication if required. Once installed, tap Sign In, choose Work or Personal Account, and follow the provider prompts so Outlook can sync mail and calendar. Make sure to grant permissions for contacts and notifications so the app can integrate with the phone. Once done, you'll land in the focused inbox and will set up more controls and sync options in the next step. Now customize how mail and calendar behave so Outlook works for you. Go to Settings, add additional accounts if needed, choose Exchange for full sync or a map for basic mail, and toggle folders to sync. Adjust swipe actions to archive, delete, or mark as read for faster triage. For calendar, pick a default calendar, set working hours and time zone, and enable event syncing. Once configured, test by sending a message and creating a meeting to verify sync between mail, calendar, and contacts. Finish by adding productivity habits. Pin important folders, use search and filters to find mail quickly, and snooze messages to handle later. Enable calendar reminders and use swipe or quick reply to speed responses. Make templates for frequent messages. If sync or sign-in fails, first force close the app and clear cache, then re-enter credentials. If that fails, remove and re-add the account or update the app. If you still have trouble, check network settings and two-factor prompts before contacting your admin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.